We make a claim that our installations are better than any other installation anywhere in the country. The reason for that is A, we've been doing this a long time. This is all we do. 25 years of landscape lighting, design, and installation. We've gotten good at doing it. We have very high standards, and we want to build our systems so that they are durable and they last a long time. We've purchased the best equipment possible, from an Italian lift to allow us to go 40, 50, 60 feet up into a tree, to trenching machines, boring machines. I want to give my guys the best tools possible. The second thing is the team we've assembled. A lot of our installers have been with us 5, 10, or 15 years. The reason for that is we pay our people well. We want them to stay with our company. We want them to grow with our company. We also pay them to be precise, to do things right, and they get bonuses on doing their jobs at a high level. So we attract really good people and we keep really good people. So you can have confidence that should you choose to go with our company, not only will your design be great, but your installation will be done at the highest level, and we'll do everything in our power to make sure it's done perfectly.